If today I would wish to grow spiritually, but I never meditated once, I don't even know what to do and I have no knowledge about spirituality, this is exactly what I will do. When we begin spirituality, it can feel a bit overwhelming to see so much information from so many different platforms, different religion, different ideology. And we just feel like, which one is right? What am I supposed to do? Who am I supposed to trust? So let me begin with what I will not do. What I will not do is actually how I first began. And it was by just selecting either a religion or a book or a guru, anything, and just taking note, learning every single word. What dharma mean, what samsara mean, what maya mean, all of those words, trying to just have a new vocabulary. Because what this will do is only allow you to sound spiritual, but to have no spiritual evolution in an experiential way, which is what is mostly happening. So many people speak spiritually, but in their energy, you can feel that they are deeply asleep. So to make sure that this does not happen to you, to make sure that you truly evolve beyond belief, beyond blah blah blah, this is what I will do. First, there is an energy that is circulating with oxygen that is called prana. It is the fundamental energy of vitality, of your own human system that allow you to remain alive. And this energy, which is called prana, can be used and worked upon with what we call pranayama. Or in the English version, it will be breath work. There are many different breathing techniques that will allow you to work with one of the 5 types of prana, which all have specific benefits. And the reason that it is a must to begin with pranayama, it is because it will engineer your whole system, including your mind. And when one tries to meditate without having a great energy, most of the people will have a mental diarrhea. Just speak within their mind the whole time and get nowhere. And yet, with just 5 minutes of a specific pranayama, you will be able to way more effortlessly realize a meditativeness state within yourself, where your mind is mostly silent, where the oxygen feels incredible, where you do not feel your body and either your sense of identification. And if you want to learn a basic pranayama, which is the most fundamental one to begin with, then I lovingly welcome you to check out this video. Secondly, the spine within our body is the connection to the whole universe. It is known that if your spine is hurt on a specific area, you can lose all your sense of body. You don't feel anything anymore. Just like if you hurt a certain part of your spine, you can lose all mobility. The spine is so important, and it is very, very, very similar to a satellite. The more that your spine is stuck into each other, really just closed, the less that you will be able to receive download from the universe, the more that you will be stuck into your own little stupid reality that has nothing to do with the truth of existence. And as your spine open up, become more flexible, then your satellite is of great quality. You will be able to receive download from the universe, to have new revelation after new revelation out of nowhere. You could be walking around the street, see a bird and realize something, simply because you are available to receive. So when your back hurt, you're not even able to bend over, you're not even able to raise your hands all the way up without feeling pain, when your neck constantly hurt, then you know your satellite suck. And unfortunately, for almost everyone, it is 100% your fault. Because of the way you sit, the way you stand, how you always look at your phone like this with your neck down, how you sleep in a really bad position. So, one of the most important thing I will do is begin to be conscious of my body position all the time. Because not only yoga asanas will be required. Yes, yoga is a must. It should be done every morning minimum. And more times a day will be best, of course. But all day long is yoga asanas. Right now I could be sitting like this and speaking, and you know what? I would be making hips problem, spine problem, shoulder and neck problem. So instead, I sit in Siddhasanas with my spine fully erect, and I am straight, ready to deliver and to receive. So think about how you sit, walk, stand, and lay. This will really make a difference in your physical, mental, and energetical health. Now, the third thing that will be very important is meditation. But not any kind of meditation. There is not kinds of meditation, but tools that one can use to realize the state of meditativeness. And if you want one that is always working, no matter what is your background, if you are a beginner or if you are a professional, this technique is the ultimate one that will always lead to success as long as you are consistent. And if you want to know about it, here is the video that will teach you how to use this method. And the reason that meditation is needed is because it is the only practice that will show you experientially what you are beyond the body and beyond the mind, the one that simply is. Because even if you read so many books about spirituality, you say, I am Brahman, I am the soul, but you just act as any other asleep being. You did not evolve, you just have a spiritual ego now. Which is why, don't speak about it, live it, and become a living proof that you are not the body and either the mind. So when we wake up the morning, we have all the turmoil from the dream that we had, because our dream and reality is not different at all to the subconscious mind. So when we wake up, it is a must that we take a moment to just be nothing, purify ourselves, and delete all the karma that we accumulated so we can overcome ourselves before taking any action in the day. This will allow great inner growth. And again, to meditate before sleep, because all day long you accumulate karma, idea, emotions, and you need to get rid of them to go back to the initial self, the one that has nothing to do with ego and physicality before sleep, that will allow you to recycle this beautiful energy in your sleep. What will be best is also to add a meditation in the middle of the day to get to 3 meditation. But the fundamental, the minimum, is the morning and the night. So those are the 3 fundamental things that one have to do if they wish for spiritual growth beyond belief and nonsense. And lastly, as a bonus, definitely read a book about spirituality. It is not bad to read a book, it is very good. What is bad is to only read book and take no action. What is amazing is to take action, do pranayama, yoga, meditation, and read book, and especially apply in your daily life what you have been reading about. That will make a difference. And please don't go for any basic American book of any wannabe who try to speak about meditation. Find a guru online that you truly trust, because you see within himself or herself that he has realized something that almost nobody realized, that you feel within his energy, that there is something different about him. And once you find him, feed your mind with this guru. But not just with one. Find many gurus that you will be able to trust and learn from all of them. See all perspective in different way, because truth is like a sphere. When you look at it, you see this side, but you do not see this side. So when you have many eyes throughout many gurus, you are able to have a 360 angle around truth and just see it all for what it truly is, beyond belief and ego. So if you would like to not go the hard way and learn everything by yourself, to do the thousands and thousands of hundreds of hours researching for practices, for wisdom, for intellect knowledge, then I lovingly welcome you to check out the link into the description that will bring you to a spiritual program that will give you all you need to be sure to have success in your spiritual growth. And I want to hear from you. Which of those practices that I told you about that you would like to learn the most about, which one of them awakened something within you when I spoke about it, and why? Let us know within the comment. And if you found any value at all in this video, please like, comment, and especially subscribe to support me and Cosmic Seed community. Thank you so much for your love.